Welcome back to Clark's Art Culinary. Today we're going to be making an open-faced tuna sandwich with persimmon. We are working with 7 ounces of ahi tuna, and this is sushi grade. So we're just going to be lightly searing it. It's going to be very, very pink in the middle. We're going to make a seasoning rub. We'll need an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we are going to make this spicy, so we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And let's mix our seasonings together. And we're going to use all the seasoning, so let's just sprinkle that on the front and the back side of the tuna. And now we're going to get over to the skillet. All right, we're going to keep this sear super simple. We've got the temperature set to medium, and we're just going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Once that's melted, we're going to place the tuna steak down. And just let that cook on both sides for about 45 seconds. Okay, it's time to flip. Tuna's done, and let's go make these sandwiches. Okay, we have a beautiful persimmon, and if you've never had persimmon before, when they're ripe, they're juicy and sweet, and if they're not so ripe, they can be very bitter. So make sure that you get one that is nice and ripe and orange or red in color. So let's get this sliced up. And I want to cut this up in bite-sized pieces. Nice thin slices here. We're going to make a pesto spread for our sandwiches. We'll need 4 tablespoons of pesto, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of prepared horseradish. Okay, let's give this a mix. All right, that is lovely. And let's cut the tuna. You want to go against the grain. It should look really nice on the inside. Let's see. Yeah, that's beautiful. Just be gentle. Alright. I'm going to take and cut these longer pieces in half here. There we go. We're using sourdough bread for our sandwiches, and I warmed these lightly in the microwave. Get your slice of bread and put some of the spread on. Then we're going to build our little sandwich with some sprouts. Put those down. A piece of the tuna. And then some of the persimmon. And we just keep going in this manner. Oh, and doesn't that look good? All right, let me get the rest of these finished up here. All right, the open-faced tuna sandwiches with persimmon are done. You can also serve these with a little mustard if you like. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please be sure to like, Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.